Jebem te u mozak. Jebem te u mozak. Jebem te u mozak. Jebem te u mozak. Jebem te u dezbove krvave. I don't know if I'm saying this right.
Long life spent in a miserable way.
Hey everybody, it's Lindsay J back with another video, and today's video is going to be a good one. This is the first time we're posting on a Wednesday. I just have to tell you guys funny things that I think are funny about Serbians. Let's get on to the video. So the first interesting thing about Serbians So the first funny interesting thing about Serbians are they use rakia for everything.
Are you sick? Drink some rakia, you'll be okay. Oh, you have the flu? Drink some rakia, you'll be okay. Oh, you have a headache? Drink some rakia, you should be okay. Oh, your mom died? I'm sorry to hear this, but make her drink some rakia. She'll be okay by tomorrow. Oh, you got hit by a car? You need to drink some rakia.
Actually, no. We should probably call you ambulance before you die. Everybody always thinks they're so bad at English when literally they are so freaking good.
Oh, Lindsay, I'm so sorry to say this to you, but my English is not that good.
Excuse me? Your English is really, really good. What are you talking about?
Oh, no, it is not. I just speaking some English every now and then, you know. And I wanted to tell you and read to you this entire English book from Shakespeare. It is so good. And, you know, my English is so bad.
Yo, your English is so good. But, okay. Sure. Literally, Serbians have the weirdest curse words that translate so weird in English. Okay, like so weird. And you know what? I found a website that has listed to me a bunch of weird curse words in Serbian that have a really weird translation in English, and I'm going to tell them to you. Now, here's the thing. Not all Serbians curse all the time or like that, you know? It's not like that. Like, I'm not saying that. But this is just too funny not to put in my video, so let's do it!
Da Bog da kom sije krkla, krava.
I hope your neighbor's cow dies.
Da Bog da ti majka prodnula na roditeliskom.
I hope your mother farts on parental.
Grob te jebo.
Grave you.
Jeboti pas mater.
May a dog your mother.
Jebem te u mozak.
I you in the brain.
Jebem ti drsku u tave.
The frying pan handle.
Jebajku te.
I'll you.
Trnu mi jajka.
My balls are numbing. Another funny thing about Serbians is literally everybody's last name, or at least a majority of their last names, have a ch in it. Rakic, Karanovic, Tomic, Milošević, Lazarević, Bošković.
Oh hey, my name's Cha.
The last thing that I find funny about Serbians is, if you know Serbians, like a lot of them, you will know at least
3 Miloshes, 3 to 4 Lazars, a couple of Nenads, and quite a few Nemanyas. Those names, those are very common, okay? I'm telling you.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please smash the thumbs up button down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you know what's good for you. Peace on the streets.
It's going down for